तो उसमें how you can do, I've simply given a prompt over here. Let's say that आपको as a solopreneur कोई आपने business start करना है with the help of AI into it, and in 2026, and in chats we were getting certain answers to the question that what is the its biggest challenging factor. So someone was saying that funding is the most challenging part. So let's see that I have written that focus on low investment opportunities also. So the moment I'll give the prompt to this, let's say, see, it's gonna generate me different categories जो select करके I can easily start building my business around it. Let's say that I have given this the prompt and it says that you can use AI content creation agency. Maybe I can form an AI content creation agency, or you can develop an AI faceless YouTube automation channel. You scroll Instagram, you scroll YouTube these days, and there are plenty of videos which help you glue to the screen, but you do not see any face of that video, and all of them are generated through AIs only. How do we generate those videos? I'll show you that also. So you will learn how do you prepare and generate all those kind of videos. The best thing that you look over here is that if you see this thing, that you want to do a business which says that you will be developing an idea which says that AI faceless YouTube automation channel ही आपका डोमेन है और आपने इसमें करना है, तो आप कौन कौन से टूल्स को यूज कर सकते हो? नंबर 1, AI is helping you get the list of the tools itself. AI ही आपको बता रहा है कि आप कौन से टूल्स को यूज कर सकते हो. Then कौन कौन से पॉपुलर निश एरियाज हैं. नाउ अगर आप बोलोगे कि मेरे को यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस बनानी है, तो वीडियोस तो आप किससे भी बना सकते हो. आप ग्लोबल जियो पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर बना सकते हो, आप फाइनेंस के ऊपर बना सकते हो, आप लेट्स से कि हिस्ट्री के ऊपर प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट आर द पॉपुलर निशेस जिसमें व्यूज ज्यादा आते हैं या फिर जिसमें क्रेडिबिलिटी आपको ज्यादा मिलेगी. दे आर AI सजेस्टिंग यू दैट आल्सो. And how much investment do you actually require? Let's say that if you want to set up an agency over there by investing something into it, so it's giving you that idea also, and how you can generate the revenues out of it. It's giving you that, and how much it's possible scalability you can get. So you see, step by step, you get each and every detail and clarity, which helps you understand that okay, if this is the idea or this is the area where I want to start my business, तो मेरे को कौन कौन से टूल्स एंड कौन कौन से टेक्निक्स एनालाइज करनी पड़ेंगी. अब ये तो हो गया कि आपको एक आइडिया की ओवरऑल क्लैरिटी मिल गई, राइट? नाउ if you require some more deeper analytics into it, there is another tool which we call it as Perplexity. आप सबने इसके बारे में सुना हो that what Perplexity is all about. So there is another tool. इसमें you get to know the deeper insights of the market. We talk about TAM, we talk about SAM. So this is the tool which helps you understand that what are the deeper analytics which are involved in the market for that particular domain. जैसे मैंने इसमें सिंपली एक प्रॉम्प्ट टाइप किया हुआ है कि what are the fastest growing digital business opportunities for solopreneurs in India and include market size and growth trends. I want to just analyze कि क्या कर सकते हैं. तो मैं the moment I'll give the command to it, what it will do, इंटरनेट पे जितने भी sources हैं, it will start, the best thing about Perplexity is that it will start giving you the references alongside the result that it is providing, and that will help you that the data which the AI tool is giving you, that is pure authentic. And even if you want to go and do some more research on it, you can simply click on the reference tab and check the authenticity of it. So if you see content creation and digital media, why I'm taking this, because previous example mein we took this domain only. So what it is showing that running YouTube channels, short form videos, podcasts or blogs and niches like education, finance, health or regional language entertainment, these are in. That means जो एल्गोरिदम है, अगर आप इस तरह की वीडियोस बनाओगे या इस तरह के कंटेंट को आप मार्केट में पुश करोगे, तो आपकी मोनेटाइजेशन के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. And how that chances increase? Through the ads, through certain sponsorships, through digital products. So I keep on shuffling between ChatGPT, Perplexity to understand deeper about the topics. And even for my own ventures, I use sometimes cloud also, so that I get to know that okay, if I want to get some more deeper insights into it, I'll shift the gear and I'll move on to cloud.